Nothing anybody want to tell me say governments are not there this Turunju Bello matter. Nothing they want to tell me for this video when I don't watch so. Nothing they want to tell me for this life. Say the top general.
Bàbá ẹni ìyá nílé lóko níbikíbi tí a bá wà. Ṣé rí ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà ọbẹ̀ ẹja ni tí a bá ní ká rò ó. Ẹni ènìyàn tó rò ẹ̀kọ́ ti mójú mímu hàn ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́. Gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tá a ti sọ kọjá gbogbo ẹ̀ pàpàtà ló ń ṣe. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá fọkàn bá wa lọ ni o. Mo kí yín nílé lóko níbikíbi tí ẹ bá ti láǹfààní láti gbọ́ mi. Tẹ́ bá ti láǹfààní láti gbọ́ wọn èmi ọmọ yín olólùfẹ́ yín Àkàlàmàgbò TV. Ẹ wá wo àwọn fídíò tí mo kó wá yìí lọ́kọ̀ọ̀kan. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ digest ẹ̀. Nígbà tá a bá ṣì ń sọ wípé àwọn ìjọba ní ọwọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ bandit from December to this time, mi rò pé ó sí èdè tí Donald Trump ti kéde pé ìpànìyàn yìí pọ̀ àwọn ń bọ̀ ní Nàìjíríà. Mi ò rò pé ó sí ọjọ́ náà tí àwọn agbénipa àwọn agbésùmọ̀mí tí wọn kì í ṣọṣẹ́. Mi ò rò pé ó sí ọjọ́ náà. Báwo ló ṣe ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Àwọn ọmọ ará pé Nàìjíríà Amẹ́ríkà mi wọ́n ju bọ́ọ̀mù síbí lé ní. Ìjọ́ kejì á lọ gbọ́ wọn lókè lọ́hùn. Tó bá ju bọ́ọ̀mù sókè lọ ọjọ́ kẹta á gbọ́ wọn lọ́wọ́ sálẹ̀. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Báwo ló ṣe rí gan tí ò sí solution lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìlú yìí? Kí ló dé tí ò sí solution lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà? Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn, ẹ wo ẹ má jẹ́ ká fàákùn rárá o. Mo fẹ́ kó àwọn fídíò yẹn papọ̀ ńsìn. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ farabalẹ̀ kí ẹ gbọ́. Ẹ wo bí arábìnrin ṣe yànnàná àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí tó dẹ̀ sí rọ́ńbẹ̀ tó mú date evidence gbogbo ẹ̀ pápátá ló mú jáde lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan ló mú wọn jáde with evidence, with date, with fact and evidence. Gbogbo ẹ̀ pápátá ló kó jọ ló kó papọ̀ sínú fọ́nrán.
Are not there this Turunju Bello matter. Nothing they want to tell me for this video when I don't watch so. Nothing they want to tell me for this life. Say the top generals them they are not there for inside. That country they must share them. We cannot continue like this. Now this kind of country want to raise our children. This kind of country does not raise our children. I love you talk. When I join me watch this video first, I'll come back.
The days of the notorious bandit kingpin Bello Turji are numbered. And if the reports coming out of Edo State this morning are anything to go by, his reign of terror is collapsing right before our eyes. The headline you saw is not an exaggeration. We are talking about a massive, coordinated military strike that has severed one of the most critical supply lines fueling the insurgency in the northwest. Today, Monday, February 9, 2026, we are breaking down the devastating blow dealt by the Nigerian army in Edo State, a blow that has reportedly left Turji in a state of panic and tears in his Zamfara hideout. Let's go straight to the heart of the operation. While everyone was looking at the forests of Zamfara and Sokoto, the Nigerian Army's 4th Brigade in Benin City, led by Brigadier General Ahmed Balogun, was quietly tracking a logistics network that stretched all the way to the south-south. On Wednesday, February 4, 2026, troops launched Operation Igbo Danu 1. This was not a routine patrol. It was a surgical clearance operation targeting a fortified arms production and logistics hub in the Osara community, as well as hideouts in Auchi and Okpela in Esako West local government area of Edo State. The military, working in a super force collaboration with the Nigerian Air Force, the DSS, and the Edo State Security Corps, stormed the facility. What they found inside has shocked security experts. They didn't just find a few rusty Dane guns. They uncovered a factory-level operation designed to sustain a war. The troops seized high-caliber weapons, including English auto-pump action guns, locally fabricated pistols, and crucially, thousands of live cartridges. But here's the connection that has Bello Turji crying. Intelligence reports have long suggested that as the military tightens the noose in the north, bandits have been outsourcing their ammunition production to criminal syndicates in the south. This factory in Edo was reportedly a key node in that supply chain. By destroying it, the army has effectively cut off the oxygen to Turji's fighters. We have confirmed the arrest of 8 high-profile suspects at the scene, including men identified as Jamilu Mohammed, Kasim Abu, and a 50-year-old coordinator named Amodu Atai. These are not just foot soldiers, these are the logistics men who keep the bandits armed. I have to pause here and ask you, the viewer, because this strategy of cutting off the supply chain is a game changer. Do you think this is the final nail in the coffin for Turji, or will he find another way to get weapons? I really want to read your tactical analysis in the comment section below. And please, if you are proud of our troops for this massive victory, do me a massive favor and click that like button right now. It helps us defeat the algorithm and show the world that the Nigerian army is winning. And if you are new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next update on Turji's capture. Welcome back. Let's talk about the tears of Bello Turji. Why is he panicked? It is not just about the loss of this factory in Edo, it is because he's being squeezed from every angle. Just weeks ago, we reported on the arrest of Shamsia Ahadu, the female arms pariah caught in Zamfara with thousands of rounds of ammunition meant for Turji's camp. Now, with his southern supply line in Edo destroyed, he's running out of bullets. To make matters worse for him, a new terror group known as Lakurawa has emerged in Sokoto, and they are reportedly hunting Turji's men too. He's fighting the Nigerian military, he's fighting rival groups, and now his ammunition factories are being blown up. The tears mentioned in the reports are symbolic of a man who knows his time is up. The military also recovered a point-of-sale machine and huge quantities of hard drugs like ice and loud from the Edo hideouts. This confirms that these networks are running on drug money and ransom payments processed electronically. The commander of 4th Brigade, Brigadier General Balogun, has declared that Edo State is now a no-go area for these criminals. He warned that any criminal element trying to use the state as a manufacturing base for northern bandits will be crushed. The suspects have been handed over to the police, and we expect more confessions that could lead the army directly to Turji's doorstep. The capture of Turji is no longer a matter of if, but when. The supply lines are cut, the logistics are destroyed.
I don't see her now. Now this country that now would have seen me call of us this so. This country now has me call of us this. It's not possible now. Who want to wake up? Who want to shook up for yanji smell every day? Who want to shook up for yanji smell every day? No. Now this now here we want to raise our children. No now. You don't work. You don't work. Muslim tickets na collect them. Today nobody answer now. You understand? So all the oil for Niger Delta, so una either they develop in a place on a big part of Nigeria, and so desert, empty land, and for those areas there. People waiting for Insec, people even plenty pass and sample and they put together. Only Igbo people even go on the shack, go see the high density of people, go see a load, go there. So now desert full everywhere. Unemployment every day is so. No work, no food, no water, no light because of these people there. When I smoke with them one place, no, you know if it happen. If I'm gonna arrest me, it can never happen. No, share the country. Let Biafra go. Oduduwa go. Everyone go.
Was taught President Trump Christmas gift, which is the major US airstrike on ISIS in Nigeria, would be a turning point. We were hoping that maybe, just maybe, the killings would slow down or stop, but it didn't slow down. It got worse, a lot worse. As January comes to close, I want to show you, just in case you haven't been paying attention, what has actually happened since the airstrike. Here is the reality of the last 30 days in the northern Nigeria. On December 26, 2025, the Bokos and Bakin-Ladi area in Plateau State, armed militias raided the community. 16 people were killed. On the same day, 26th of December, at the rural Niger State, bandits attacked the village and 12 people were kidnapped. On the same day, again, December 26th, at the Timbo village in Adamawa State, ISWAP terrorists bombed homes, 4 Christians were killed, and 5 were captured. On December 27th, in Anka, Zamfara State, Islamic bandits raided there. 5 were dead, 20 were abducted. On December 28th, at Giwa in Kaduna State, 3 were killed and 15 were taken. On December 29th, at Gwoza in Borno State, a terrorist ambush and 4 people were dead. On December 29th again, at Mondang village in Adamawa State, ISWAP burned a church and 100 houses. 11 Christians were murdered. By the time this calendar turned to 2026, 58 more people were dead in Niger State alone. January 1st, 2026, at a market village in Niger State, bandits attacked on the New Year's Day. 30 were killed and 15 were kidnapped. Early January, Plateau State, attacked by Fulani herdsmen. 12 Christians were dead. On January 4th, in Niger State, another village was attacked. 30 were killed, 40 were abducted. On January 5th, at Maiduguri in Borno State, there was Boko Haram attack and 3 people died. On January 5th again, at Benue State, a farming family was ambushed. 4 Christians from the same family were killed. On January 6th, Benue State was raided. 5 more Christians were murdered. On January 10th, at Taraba State, a night raid happened on 4 villages. 10 Christians were killed and homes were burned. On January 12th, in Benue State again, ambush on farmers. 4 Christians were dead. On January 17th to 18th, in Kajuru, Kano State. This is the one that shocked the world. Gunmen raided 3 churches during a Sunday service. 177 people was adopted, mostly Christians. On January 21st, at Borno State, there was a suicide bombing and assault. 5 soldiers and 58 civilians were killed. To add it up, in just 30 days, Nigeria has lost over 340 lives, and at least 397 people have been adopted. This is not banditry or clashes. This is a targeted campaign against Christian communities in the north and the middle belt of Nigeria. Despite the US airstrike and the government's promises, the killers are moving faster than the help. I'm calling on President Trump. I'm calling on international community. If the current structure of Nigeria cannot keep its citizens alive, then the structure must be broken. What we need now is a total restructuring of this country, or divide this country, because a country that allows its people to be slaughtered in their churches and on their farms is a country in name only. If you come across this video on your screen, please do me a favor. Please tag the people that have power to act. Silence is a death sentence.
Issue not the finish for this country, oh. Like wahala not the finish for this country called Nigeria. Currently now, there is an issue between the Northerners and the Asari Dokubo. There is currently an issue going on in Nigeria between the Northerners and the Asari Dokubo. And this, please guys, watch this video to the end and don't forget to share it. Oh. Honestly, this issue is coming after the Northerners claimed that they own the gold mining in Nigeria. And we all know that the gold mining is based in the northern side. So currently now the Northerners have come out to say that they own the gold mining in Nigeria. And therefore, a well-known clique, which is Asari Dokubo, has come out to say that if the Northerners claimed that they own the gold mining in Nigeria, therefore the Niger Delta owns the what? The mineral resources, which is the crude oil. And it's you now that is watching me now. Do you think that what Asari Dokubo is actually the right thing to say? Because to me, I feel like what Asari Dokubo said is the right thing. Since the Northerners are claiming that they own the gold mine in Nigeria, therefore Niger Delta owns the what? The crude oil in Nigeria. Meaning that Niger Delta are the one control the crude oil, while the Northerners are the one control the gold mining. Please and please, guys, I want you guys to share this video massively. And also, don't forget to drop your opinion on this matter, because this matter now is very, very sensitive. Understand? Peace and
ẹ ṣeun ẹ̀yin bàbá, mo kí yín. Olódùmarè á gbà wá o. Ṣe rí ètò kan wá gbọ̀ngbọ̀ngbọ̀n. Èmi live mú arákùnrin ṣe parí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀. Ó ní kàn pín kárẹwà lọ, kí àwọn Biafra lọ, kí Odùduwà náà kan dúró. Ohun tí àwa náà ti ń pariwo nìyẹn. Because ohun táwa nígbàgbọ́ pé ó lè jẹ́ solution tí àwọn ìjọba àwọn olórí wa bá fi ọpọlọ wọn gbé, tí wọ́n bá jókòó tí wọ́n ronú tó ń sun ohun tí ọmọ ènìyàn ń sùn, wọ́n á mọ̀ wípé solution tó lè the only solution náà ni eléyìí tí a bá pín ìlú yìí olúkálùkù á lè mójútó tẹ́rítìrì títí ẹ̀ olúkálùkù á lè mójútó ẹnìkan ò lè tí àti òkè ọya wa máa ju bọ́ọ̀mù sí wa ní ìsàlẹ̀ ń bì kò ṣeé ṣe ara àwọn nǹkan tá a wá sọ pé a kọ̀ lélẹ̀ tá a ò gbà ohun tá ẹ wo àwọn ènìyàn wa tó ti pa nílùú Kwara ẹ mọ iye èèyàn tí wọ́n sin ní èdè 200+ ènìyàn òun ni wọ́n gbé gbìn bí wọ́n ṣe náà ní last time nìyẹn ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé lẹ́nu ọjọ́ tí wọ́n ti pa àwọn ènìyàn tó ti ń lọ bí 200+ ẹ wá sọ fún mi àwọn ọmọ mélòó làwọn ìyá wa ti bí a máa ń dín ní àlé o ẹ má rò pa à ń lé o bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ní Kogi ṣé àná ni àbíjọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n ti ṣọṣẹ́ ẹ lọ wo news go and check your news ẹ lọ ka Daily Post àwọn headline àwọn kókó inú ìwé ìròyìn wọ́n máa gbé síbẹ̀ gàdàgbà bẹ́lẹ̀ ilẹ̀ máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ lọ wo àwọn nǹkan tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ lénìí ìjọ wo ni kó má dàgbà ń káwọn èèyàn láyà sókè ìròyìn ibú òun lẹ́ẹ̀ máa gbọ́ ẹ lè gbọ́ ìròyìn ayọ̀ kan kó ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣé ká kan báwo la ní àtijọ́ mi ti gbọ́rú eléyìí rí eléyìí ti wá pọ̀ jù ó ti pọ̀ jù ó ti burúkú jù ó burúkú jù ẹ̀yin ni lánàá ẹ̀yin ni lénìí bẹ́ẹ̀ kún àpọ̀kọjẹ kí la ti fẹ́ ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ará bí yìí sí àwọn olórí wa dẹ̀ ń pariwo lọ́tún lósì wọ́n ṣe bíi pé wọn ò gbọ́ wa wọ́n kọ etí kò kàn mí wọ́n ṣe bíi pé wọn ò gbọ́ ohun tá à ń wí àwa Yorùbá a fẹ́ dá dúró àwọn ẹlẹ́sìn kan ò lè máa kó ẹ̀sìn wọn ẹ̀sìn ibú ẹ̀sìn orí burúkú ẹ̀sìn apànìyàn tó ń ṣe kọ́ máa fi pa wá nílẹ̀ wa kí dẹ̀ ni àwọn babaláwo wa ń wò àwọn oníṣègùn àwọn tó ń yí ọwọ́ padà torí àárí ọwọ́ wọn o ẹ má jẹ́ ká tàn yín àwọn kan wá gbọ́lẹ̀ kó sí ẹ kó wọn síta àkókò ti tó láti lò ẹ bá wa wọn gbogbo àwọn ẹnubodè wa ẹ wọ́n wọn ẹ bálẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ó ń lórúkọ tí ilẹ̀ ń jẹ́ ilẹ̀ àfọkọ́yẹrẹ alápọ̀nkà ọ̀tẹ́rẹrẹ kárí ẹ bá wa porúkọ tí ilẹ̀ ń jẹ́ pé ẹ porúkọ omi làbùwẹ̀ omi làbùmú ẹ porúkọ tó mi jẹ́ bá atẹ́gùn sọ̀rọ̀ afẹ́fẹ́ kan kì í fẹ́ lóko kó má kọgi oko lára ẹ bá àwọn ẹ sọ àwọn gbólóhùn wọ̀nyí sílẹ̀ kẹ́ bá wọn wí kẹ́ bá àwọn agbésùmọ̀mí tó ń gorí ilẹ̀ wa tó ń ṣe wá bàṣubàṣu ẹ bá àwọn kíní wọ̀nyí sọ̀rọ̀ àbí báwo kí la ti fẹ́ fi máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ a ti ń sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wọ̀nyí gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tá a ti sọ náà la ti ń tú sọ gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tá a ti sọ sẹ́yìn gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ pátá náà la ti mú wá ń síta ti padà ti ń tú sọ ṣùgbọ́n kò ní sún wa kò ní rẹ̀ wá níwọ̀nba ìgbà tí Ọlọ́run ti ń fún wa láǹfààní láti máa gbóhùn sí afẹ́fẹ́ a máa kéde ẹ̀ náà ni a máa sọ fún yín ẹ̀yin bàbá àwọn ẹ jọ̀ọ́ àkókò ti tó enough is enough ẹ̀ náà ẹ gbọ́ gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ nínú àwọn fídíò tẹ́ wò tán yẹn èwo lọ̀rọ̀ gidi ńbẹ̀ the same thing náà ni gbogbo nǹkan tí gbogbo wọn sọ the same purpose the same thing gbogbo wọn sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí kò sí pé ènìyàn rìn ó yan fandamọ́ nínú ìlú everybody rìn tìfura ni torí wọ́n ní ìfura báyìí lóògùn àgbà tìfura lẹ́lúkàlùkù rìn ta ló lè sùn sìn kó di ojú méjèèjì kò sẹ́ni tó mọ bí tí ìkọlù fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ sí kò sẹ́ni tó mọ plan tí wọ́n ní sílẹ̀ ń sìn ẹ wo Bello Túnjí ó ń ṣe wọ́n pàtì àgbọ̀lẹ̀ ni wọ́n pa ọ̀la tí jí ni ẹ̀dẹ̀ mọ gbogbo àwọn olórí mo sọ tíjọba Amẹ́ríkà bá dìídì pé wọ́n máa dọ̀kún fẹ́ ẹ̀pù wa lóòótọ́ ẹ mọ àwọn tó ń ṣe agbódegbà fún wọn àwọn lẹ́ẹ̀ lọ kọ́kọ́ lọ pick àwọn yẹn lẹ́ẹ̀ máa kọ́kọ́ lọ pick àwọn tó ń ṣe agbódegbà fún àwọn agbésùmọ̀mí ibẹ̀ la máa ti lè rí òkodoro ọ̀rọ̀ ibẹ̀ la máa ti mọ̀ pé yes we are good to go ẹ wo ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa èmi ọmọ yín náà ni o Akalamago TV show please tẹ́ bá ń wò wá fúngbà àkọ́kọ́ don't forget to subscribe for us follow us drop your comment nílá fún o èmi ọmọ yín náà ni wọ́n ní kókókókó là ń gbóhùn agogo dùgbẹ̀dùgbẹ̀ ní òun akèrègbè òjòjò oníṣòwò kó má nájà kókókó lára ọ̀tá ń lè nílá fún ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa ẹ jẹ́ a máa ṣe jẹ́jẹ́ o ẹ jẹ́ ká máa rìn tìfúnra ìfúnra lóògùn àgbà o ní ṣèrìn o ní kọ́ sọ́wọ́ àwọn ajínigbé o àdúrà mi sí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tó wà lórílẹ̀‐èdè ó tù fẹ́ nìyẹn thank you all and ká tó lọ afẹ́ àkókò náà dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ bàbá Olúbàdàn fún àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ tí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbé wọ́n ní kò sáàyè fún àdánran jẹ̀mọ́ nílùú Ìbàdàn even lọ lórí adìyẹ lọ dórí adìyẹ gbogbo ẹ̀ pápátá tẹ bá listen sí rédíò gbogbo ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti kéde kò sáàyè fún gbogbo rọ̀bẹ̀ rẹ́bẹ̀ kankan mọ́ o kò ní jù báyìí lọ thank you.